Okay guys, this is just a tiny little video to show that the Banjo bolt directly on top of the turbo does not have a filter. This is it right here. You can see it has a tiny hole. I don't know if there you go. It has a tiny hole there on one side. That's the only hole. No filter. And that's been a debate, so there it just goes to show there is none on top of the turbo, and there should be one down below here that does have a filter, but that's it. You have to take off the intercooler to find that out. So I'll show you the other Banjo bolt if I can get to it, but that's it. Okay, so in addition to that, the Banjo bolts with the small circle right there have a small hole. And here's the part number I bought at the dealership of, actually it's called a union screw, and it has a bigger hole. And you can see here, it actually does have a filter right there. So, while you're down here, you also want to check your turbo piping here to the intercooler. Mine has a little bit of oil on it, and that's not good. Anyway, and then you want to check your throttle. I'll show you mine. If I can get some light right here. Yeah, there's the throttle plate. It looks pretty clean, but the backside probably isn't. And then here's the inside of this. There we go. Looks pretty cool. Yep. A little carbon buildup or something. But yeah, that's what you want to do when you take your intercooler off and check for all that. But yeah.